Ayan ang mga taga Idilberto, mga estudyante, o mga officers, o mga members ng YESO ng ating paaralang Idilberto S. Legazpi Integrated High School. Ayan, kasama ang mga teachers, mga volunteers. Ayan. At nandiyan din po ang ating SPTA President and other SPTA officers. So, it's a collaboration ng tatlong school: Dasmariñas North National High School, Dasmariñas East Integrated High School. We also have, of course, the proponent of this program or of this event or this project is the Science Department headed by Ma'am Herb of Idilberto S. Legazpi Integrated High School. So ayan po sila. Okay. So again, dito po tayo sa may Barangay Labak, sa may Pawikan Hatchery. Thank you for watching.